Hey guys, this is Ben here. On this channel, I'll be answering your tech questions. Now let's jump right on in. Today we're going to be talking about operating systems and the different kinds of operating systems. There are many different operating systems that exist. The main four types are Windows, most people know them as PCs, Mac, Unix, and Linux. Unix and Linux are actually the most versatile and customizable, but the versatility does come at a price. It makes it harder to understand and use them, which is why they're actually mainly used by computer technicians. Macs, on the other hand, are much more designed for those that need to do graphics-intensive projects on a regular basis. They can handle the resource-intensive programs required for video and photo editing. They are fairly easy to use for the average person. However, they're much more locked down, and you don't have as much versatility or customization. You also don't have the ability to upgrade them, which does mean what you get is all you have. Windows, on the other hand, is the happy medium. It is the best of both worlds. Windows gives you the ability to upgrade the computer, giving you access to more resources, while still being fairly intuitive and easy for the average person to use. Thanks for watching. Liked today's video? Go ahead and hit that like button and put your questions in the comments below. If you want more videos like this or want to know more about tech and how it all works, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.